Les amis, aujourd'hui on attaque l'avant-dernier épisode de Life is Strange. J'espère que vous êtes prêts, je vais pas parler pendant 50 ans, on va directement y aller, directement être dans le feu de l'action. On s'était arrêté dans le bunker, Jefferson le FDP, on va l'appeler comme ça, ok? Et par terre, il a été arrêté par David, nous on est dans la dark room, on sait que dehors, à l'extérieur du bunker, ça va être n'importe quoi, on sait très bien que la tornade arrive, le danger arrive, et nous on est là, va falloir qu'on fasse tout ça, ça va être ultra chaud, franchement ça va être... Ah, c'est tellement ouf, j'ai à la fois tellement envie de savoir la suite et tellement pas envie de finir le let's play, c'est horrible. Ok, bon déjà on va parler à David, est-ce qu'on peut te dire quelque chose?
David? Are you okay?
Look at this place. It feels like hell.
Jefferson was gonna kill me. Like he did to Victoria Chase.
Oh, no. I always suspected that son of a bitch.
Ok, pas moi, vous soupçonnez tout le monde. Pas moi.
I never did. Until too late.
You shouldn't have to suspect your teacher.
He wasn't a real teacher. He just wanted to lecture. It was part of his sick plans.
I wasn't surprised when you accused Nathan of drugging Kate Marsh. I thought so too. And Max, I'll never forgive myself for what happened to Kate. I feel like I helped push her off that roof.
C'est pas votre faute, Kate était harcelée. C'est pas votre... Bah, c'est pas sa faute, c'est pas sa
Don't
faute.
blame yourself. Nathan and Jefferson are the ones who put her up there.
I knew Nathan Prescott was a threat. I just waited too long to neutralize him.
Jefferson already did. They had some weird father-son thing going on. But Nathan killed Rachel, and Jefferson had to use him as a scapegoat.
That pervert was pulling all this shit right under my nose, too. I could have stopped him and Nathan if only... I wasn't so stupid.
No. I told Principal Wells Nathan had a gun and almost used it. But he didn't want to believe me. I should have been more loud.
We all make decisions we regret. But I have to admit, I'm impressed by you. And Chloe. And your investigation. I had all the high-tech toys, well, you had each other.
Elle a appris de vous, on forme une super équipe. Elle a appris de vous.
Maybe she learned from you.
I think she only learned how to hate my guts.
You both had a tough start. And I know it wasn't easy.
I'm not gonna make any excuses for my behavior. I tried to be a good soldier, but I wasn't so great. I tried to be a good father, too, but when Joyce kicked me out, I had nothing.
Il est vraiment... Vous voyez, je vous l'avais dit, il est vraiment pas méchant. Il est mignon en vrai. Je suis désolé.
I'm so sorry about that. I didn't want that to happen.
I should never have set up those surveillance cams. Or kept all those files.
I'm going to tell Joyce I was wrong about you. She does love you. It's pretty obvious.
I try not to use my service as an excuse, but it's hard to come home after war. Most people don't know or care what it's like. Except Joyce. She gave me hope. A new life.
And you saved mine. Chloe, she would be proud of you.
I just want to see her safe with her mother. I promised Joyce I would go see a family counselor. I'll start by apologizing to Chloe. I don't expect her to call me dad, but maybe she'll stop calling me step douche.
C'est pas faux.
So, where is Chloe?
Hein? Comment ça cacher la vérité, de dire la vérité? Bah, on dit la vérité, non? Enfin... Bah ouais, on dit la vérité, enfin, je dis la vérité.
David. Chloe is
Ah, c'est ça la vérité!
dead.
Non, elle est pas morte dans cette réalité, non? On n'est pas
This
venu dans...
isn't happening.
Je comprends plus rien.
It can't. No, God. Not Chloe. Max, are you sure? Are you...
Yes, I saw her. I saw Jefferson kill her in the junkyard
Mais t'as changé la réalité!
last night.
Last night?
when I was feeling sorry for myself in my hotel room, I promised Joyce that I would protect her and Chloe. How can I face her and explain this? I never even told Chloe that I... God damn it!
Oh là là.
You killed my wife's child, you sick fucker! And you took away my stepdaughter?
Non, 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 c'est pas ça, c'est pas
David,
ça.
wait!
Oh. Mon Dieu. Ah, je m'attendais... Wow. Alors, je m'attendais pas à ça. Je m'attendais pas du tout à ça.
Max, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you had to see that. What a mess. What have I done? All that time I wasted with surveillance. Chloe, I'm sorry. Joyce, I failed you. My family.
You didn't fail. You did your best.
Max, you better get outside. You've seen enough of this room.
David, thank you for saving me.
Tu me fais trop de la peine, c'est horrible. Ok. Bon. Très bien. Alors, les amis... Oh, commence pas à pleurer, je vais pleurer aussi, s'il te plaît, mon pote. Commence pas, commence pas. Alors,
I've
il y a...
seen so many people die this week. Now Jefferson.
Est-ce que je peux parler maintenant ou pas?
I feel numb.
Oui, bah écoute, très bien, très bien. Écoutez, les amis, je dis pas que Jefferson il mérite pas. Il mérite vraiment de crever. Clairement, il mérite de crever. Sauf que là, en fait, on sait pas exactement. Enfin, on a tellement foutu le bordel dans la réalité qu'on sait pas exactement où on en est maintenant. Donc là, elle dit que Chloé est morte parce qu'elle a vu que Chloé s'était fait prendre une balle. Mais en vrai, elle a changé tellement de choses dans la réalité que Chloé peut très bien être vivante. Ok, on sait pas vraiment. Donc, est-ce que ça mérite vraiment que David aille en prison et qu'il tue Jefferson alors qu'au final, c'est lui qui va payer? Alors que Chloé est peut-être vivante. Donc je pense que je vais reculer et que je vais plutôt mentir à David. Ok, on y est, c'est bon, on cache la vérité.
David, she was pretty stressed out, so she went to go medicate before I ended up in here. So she's okay.
Ce qui veut vraiment... Bon, il la croit. Très bien.
Once I'm happy, Chloe's a stoner.
David, I have to go outside and get some real air and use my phone.
Of course. Go on, Max. You're a brave soldier. I'm glad Chloe has a best friend like you. Go on now. You've seen enough of this room.
Je peux pas prendre le risque que David y paye
Okay,
pour cet
teacher.
enfoiré, quoi.
Let's see what kind of photo evidence you shit all over this computer.
You're
Ça,
not
quoi.
getting away with this, Jefferson.
C'est ça. Bon les amis, on y va. Je pense que c'est vraiment la meilleure décision. Je peux pas laisser David payer pour l'autre FDP là. Donc clairement non, je peux pas. On sait vraiment pas ce qu'il y a dehors. On sait pas si Chloé au final est vivante ou morte. On n'en sait rien du tout. Donc je pense que je vais rester sur cette décision. Ok, on quitte la chambre noire. C'est parti.
Freedom. Holy shit. This storm is real. I need to find Warren. Yes! Warren, can you hear me? Never mind. Listen, do you have that photo you took last night in the parking lot?
Yeah, but why? It wasn't that great a shot.
Yes, it is, and I want it. Where are you?
I'm at the Two Whales Diner, pretty much trapped in here with Joyce thanks to this Armageddon weather. I'm expecting the ocean to turn red.
I'm on my way.
Come on, that's crazy. You can barely walk on the sidewalk outside. Seriously, Max, stay wherever you are. I don't think the storm's getting smaller. I'm kinda scared.
That's okay. Me too. But it's not over yet, Warren. So hold on.
D'accord, donc il nous faut vraiment cette photo en fait pour revenir à la fête et pour sauver Chloé. Ok, donc vous voyez, en fait, on est dans la réalité où elle est morte malheureusement, mais on va la sauver. Donc à quoi ça sert que David il tue Jefferson? Franchement, pour l'instant, ça a pas d'intérêt. Elle sait conduire, Max, déjà? T'es sûr de ce que tu fais? Très bien, très bien. Oh là là, le bordel.
I, Trust Limbo, have been warning you people for years that our culture of sin and entitlement would lead to God striking us down. And I'm the one trapped in this fucking radio station. Somebody get me the hell out of here now! Now, goddammit, how do I pay all those taxes?
C'est la tornade qui est en train de se former derrière? C'est quoi?
You have one new message. Message received yesterday at 9 p.m.
Max, it's Nathan. I just wanted to say I'm sorry. I didn't want to hurt Kate or Rachel or I didn't want to hurt anybody. Everybody used me. Mr. Jefferson is coming for me now. All this shit will be over soon. Watch out, Max. He wants to hurt you next. Sorry.
Il y a la tornade en... Oh là là. Mais c'est tellement la fin du monde, mais oh là là. Oh, mais regardez comment c'est énorme, mais... Oh là 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 là. Ok, ok, ok. Warren, dépêche-toi, Warren. Camionneur.
That guy's trapped. I have to help everybody I can. You okay?
Once I get the hell out of here,
C'est quoi cette question con, Max?
way too long in this shithole town.
You better go now.
And I ain't never coming back here. You need a lift?
No thanks. I have to find a friend.
You go, girl. You go.
Ok, ok. Maintenant c'est... Oh là, cadavre. Oh là 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 là. C'est... Oh, très bien, très bien. On va oublier ça, hein, clairement. On va se dépêcher, on va pas se prendre le poteau sur la gueule. Hein? Oh, toi t'es vraiment très con. T'es vraiment trop con. Avertir.
See that tornado? Get the hell out of here.
Max, there's no way I can pass up these images. Just look at it.
You can't take a picture when you're dead. Now move your ass.
Okay, if you insist.
Je comprendrai jamais la logique des...
Max, you do know things. I'm such an idiot.
Only if you don't find a safe spot until this blows over, okay?
Now I better listen to the real everyday hero. Come with me.
I have to help somebody else first.
Ok. Là-bas, il y a une fille à aider. Oh là là. C'est tellement horrible, mais c'est tellement horrible. Mais c'est tellement horrible. Dépêche-toi, trouve Warren, s'il te plaît. Il est où? C'est quoi, ça, on s'en fout, ça? Là-bas? Mais oh, mais c'est encore toi, mais qu'est-ce que tu fous encore là, toi?
Shit. Alyssa needs help again.
Ah, toujours. Ok. Qu'est-ce que je suis censé faire? Qu'est-ce que... Ok, ça, d'accord, super.
Come on, Alyssa. Take my hand. Here I come.
Ok, très bien.
You did it, Max. Are you okay? Now I am. We need to get out of here. Alyssa, you go on. I have to help other people.
Ok. Il me faut Warren là, il est où? Je sais pas où aller. To Wales, c'est où? C'est tellement le bordel, je reconnais plus rien. D'accord, là-bas, ok, d'accord, j'ai compris. Ok, la baleine, très bien. Alors, par contre, comment est-ce que je passe là-bas? Est-ce qu'il faut que je... Je sais pas du tout. Est-ce que c'est par là? Oui, d'accord, ok, c'est par là. Ok, d'accord, c'est par là. Entrée. Oh là là, c'est le bordel, c'est chaud. Bon, ok. On se dépêche, on n'a pas le temps. Flyer, on s'en bat les steaks du flyer là. Ok, comment est-ce que je passe? Par là, fusible? J'utilise. Ok, nickel. Oh non! Bah évidemment, fallait que tu sois là toi aussi, bah oui! Évidemment. Ok, mon pote, dégage s'il te plaît. Non, non, il faut que tu te casses. Oh là là, mais c'est pas vrai. Si je le regarde, qu'est-ce qui se passe?
I want to help that fisherman, but
Oh là là.
he's in shock and he might not hear me.
D'accord, donc soit je le tue et je passe, soit je trouve un autre endroit. Oh là là, c'est horrible. Mais mec, s'il te plaît, quoi. Faut que je trouve un truc, Bon, c'est pas grave, tant pis, je vais trouver un autre endroit, mais c'est pas possible, quoi. Mais je peux pas partir. Je peux vraiment pas partir. Genre, je suis obligé de le tuer. Ah, mais je viens d'y penser, Attendez. Là, il y a l'arroseur, ok. Donc, on va faire un truc. On va activer ça. Du coup, oui, il va s'électrocuter, il meurt très bien. On passe. Voilà. Et je remonte le temps. Ok, nickel. J'avais oublié qu'on pouvait faire ça. D'accord, super. Comme ça, voilà. Il est plus dans le décès. Il est là. Par contre, mon gars, faut que tu dégages.
Come on, you have to get out of here right now.
I need to breathe. I need air. Please.
Oh, t'es mignon, on n'a pas le temps, frère. Hein. Ah, très bien. Oui, d'accord. Ok. Très bien. Est-ce qu'on peut ou pas? Ok, super.
You should get out of here.
The whole town is dying.
Okay, I better hurry to the diner over there. I need Warren's photo.
Ok, super, on sort. Ok, c'est la dernière étape, on y est presque. Putain, c'est vraiment, mais regardez, il y a des gars carrément une baleine qui est venue ici, mais what the fuck. Bon, attendez, on va y arriver. Faut que je fasse gaffe. Oh, c'est tellement énorme. C'est un truc de dingue. Quoi? Comment ça? Wow, d'accord, très bien. Je vois. Éteindre l'incendie. Utiliser le sable. Ah, d'accord, ok. Je l'avais même pas vu en fait à la base, d'accord. Bon, ça c'est fait. Putain, on a vraiment de la chance, franchement c'est ouf. Ok, on rentre. J'ai dit on rentre. Comment ça on peut pas rentrer? Ok, très bien, on peut pas rentrer, super, faut que je trouve un autre endroit. Oh, le policier. C'était le policier qu'on connaissait ou pas? Je crois que c'était lui qui mangeait. Non, c'était pas lui qui mangeait, c'était le black, je sais plus. D'accord, bon, ok. On va essayer de se... Oh, mais oh, c'est horrible. Ok, on ouvre. On y est. La photo, on en a rien à foutre. La photo. Vite.
Max. Oh, Max.
Oh, Jesus, I am so glad to see you, sweetie. Are you okay?
Yes. What about you guys?
Two Whales is barely standing now. I don't know if it's gonna make it through this tornado.
Non, clairement non.
Oh, poor Officer Barry and all those people out there. Okay, get your ass inside. I have to get back to this gentleman on the ground. Lauren has been gathering all the first aid.
It's not much, Joyce, but it's all we have.
You okay, Warren?
How the hell did I ignore all those warnings, Max? The snow? The eclipse?
There's nothing you could do about it, Warren.
I'm so stupid. Should have seen it coming.
La photo, gros, la photo. S'il te plaît.
So glad everybody is safe here. But I need that photo from Warren to help Chloe.
C'est ça. Donc on va lui parler à lui déjà.
Okay, Max. Excuse me while I go help this other gentleman.
Frank, I'm so glad you're here.
Yeah, it makes two of us.
Ah, il le sait pas
No, if
encore.
only I had Rachel back. Now, Max, what about that info I gave you? Did you and Chloe find out what happened to her?
Non, non, oh là là là. Ça sert à rien que je lui mente. Autant lui dire la vérité, non? On tente.
Frank, I don't know how to say this, so I just will.
Mais comment tu dis ça?
Rachel is dead.
God, no, please. Please, no, not Rachel. She can't fucking be. Are you sure? I mean, how do you know?
We used the names you gave us to track down a farmhouse. My professor, Mark Jefferson, has this creepy photo torture room. And we found out he was using Nathan Prescott to drug and photograph Blackwell students.
Prescott? Fuck! Fuck, I knew it! I should never have hooked up with that sick punk. Pompidou hated him. Yeah, you saw Rachel.
Oui.
Yes. I wish I didn't. I'm so sorry, Frank. Nathan wanted to impress Jefferson and he killed her.
How? How did he kill her?
Overdose.
He used some drug and gave her an overdose.
An overdose? The only way Nathan could have done that is if I sold it to him. I killed my lioness. No. What have I done? Where is this motherfucker Jefferson?
He's going to jail. He won't be hurting anybody anymore.
Rachel. Oh, God. She was the one good thing in my life, Max. I know she was too young. I expect her to leave me, just not how it happened. I would never have stopped her from going after her dreams.
Je sais.
I know. She obviously cared about you, Frank.
Rachel cared about a lot of people. Especially Chloe. But, now I see why Rachel dug her. And Chloe was man enough to ask me for help after all that shit we went through.
Chloe would appreciate that.
You know, the one time I met my dad, the bastard quoted the Bible and said he wanted to enter his house justified. In other words, to do the right thing.
Ah.
Me too. And maybe you're helping me get there, Max. Don't get me wrong, kid. I still think you're weird. But you're cool.
Au moins il connaît la vérité. Franchement c'est mieux. Au moins il connaît la vérité. Ok.
Come on, Max. Let's talk over here and give Frank some rest and space.
En fait je veux pas parler avec toi. Non. Je veux pas te dire que ta gamine elle est morte. S'il te plaît. Je peux pas dire ça.
How are you doing?
Just when I think I've already been through the ringer.
Évidemment.
Where's Chloe?
Elle va bien. Je vais la. Elle va bien. Elle va bien.
She's safe, Joyce. She just sent me a text before my phone died.
Oh, thank God. I was torturing myself before you showed up. Oh, God, if something happened to Chloe while I ended up stuck at this diner again.
I'm sorry about all this, Joyce.
Don't be, honey. It's not like you whipped up this tornado on your own.
I mean, I'm also sorry about everything with David.
You don't have control over any of that. David is an adult, and he has a lot more age and experience under his belt. Even if he doesn't always show it.
Ok, je suis désolé, la tempête ultime, je suis désolé.
I'm sorry I caused so many problems with David and Chloe.
You did the right thing. David overstepped his bounds. I had a suspicion he was taking his private surveillance way too seriously. But he's sorry, and I wish he was here right now.
I just want our lives to be normal again.
With all the shit going on this week, I think you're right. And look at me, trying to keep my family together. Again. Max, did I make a mistake kicking David out?
David a besoin de toi.
David saved my life from the storm. I saw how much he cares about Chloe, even if he couldn't show it.
Ça c'est bien.
David needs you more than ever, and I can see why you love him.
I'm so happy David was there for you. He has a lot of weight on his back from the war, but he truly wants to help people. He even agreed to take a family counseling class.
I'm sure that was a hard thing for him to do. It shows how much he truly cares about you and Chloe.
Nothing would make me happier than for David and Chloe to make peace, not war. But I don't know what to do anymore. I just want this storm to blow over forever. Maybe it's time we leave Arcadia Bay. If we can.
David is a real hero, Joyce. I know that all he wants to do is make you happy. I know he would do anything for you. And Chloe.
I know. And yes, he's not William, but that's okay. He's not supposed to be. You reminded me of when he came into my life. I was ready to give up. David's love gave me strength.
C'est pas forcément
He
le
even
temps,
told
hein?
me I was his
Non,
hero.
je dis ça comme ça, non?
And I can't give up loving him. I want him to come back home. Oh, I hope I get to tell him that soon.
Alors c'est super mignon, hein, je dis pas, je suis vraiment super touché, mais il y a une tempête, il y a la fin du monde dehors, alors on pourra peut-être parler des chagrins d'amour, peut-être plus tard, hein, clairement. Du coup toi.
I hate to say I'm glad to see you, but I'm so glad to see you.
That's okay. The important thing is that you're safe. And I know you can take care of yourself after Nathan.
Should have done that a long time ago. Damn, Max. Can't believe you actually drove down here in the middle of a fucking E6 tornado. Just for one photograph? I mean, I know you didn't come for me.
Ah.
Warren, I came for all of you. Just tell me you do have the photograph.
I just want...
Now shut up and listen.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
La violence.
Finally going and tell me what you never did in the parking lot.
I wish I would have. So I'm just going to tell you without any explanation. Trust me, okay?
I always do. You should probably tell me quick.
I had a vision in Jefferson's class of a tornado destroying Arcadia Bay. I went to the bathroom and saw my best friend Chloe get shot by Nathan Prescott. You with me so far?
Where else could I be? Go on.
Then I found out that I could rewind time. And long story short, Mark Jefferson is insane and dangerous.
Whoa. Is that all?
Quoi? Comment ça je déclenche? Non, je n'ai pas déclenché la tempête. Il a tué Chloé, tu déconnes ou quoi?
I have
Oh.
to go back in time. Jefferson already killed Chloe. I can't let that happen. I have to do something, Warren.
Max, going back in time is what caused the storm.
All because of me? How?
I'm not a real scientist, even though I play one at school, but this seems like pure cause and effect. Maybe chaos theory. What happened with Jefferson? Did he hurt you?
Malheureusement, c'était évident. C'était évident que c'était à cause des allers-retours dans le temps, dans les réalités, que ça allait avoir une conséquence énorme. C'était sûr, je vous l'avais dit au tout début. Jouer avec le temps, bah voilà, ça a des conséquences, clairement, ça peut pas être non plus comme ça trop facile. Par contre, juste, on en parle que Maxine, elle est devenue ventriloque. C'est génial. Ok, il m'a drogué, Rachel a été tuée. Rachel, c'est quand même un petit peu plus important.
Nathan accidentally killed Rachel Amber trying to impress Jefferson. Nathan just needed mental help. Now he's dead. And Jefferson is done.
Jesus, Max. I want the whole story, but I guess we really are out of time.
On a plus le temps, on a
But
plus le
I
temps là.
can still change things. What do you think will happen?
For every action, there's a reaction. Whenever you reversed or alter time, Maybe you caused a chain reaction. Even in the environment.
Est-ce que vous croyez que c'est depuis qu'on a sauvé Chloé avec notre pouvoir? Oh là 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 là. Alors me demandez pas de laisser mourir Chloé, c'est impossible. Ok, bon, tu me crois déjà. On va y aller petit à petit.
Warren, you believe me, right? I haven't told anybody else except for Chloe, and she can't help me right now.
I know I can be a pain in the ass, and you've always treated me like a person, not a beta nerd. I told you before that I'll always believe you.
I just wish I could trust my powers. I guess we'll never know if it's magic or science.
Even if it's from a wizard or a wormhole, you're part of something bigger. I don't believe in fate or destiny, but after this week, I realize I don't know shit.
That makes both of us, Warren.
I do know you're here for a reason. And I guess it's up to you to find out why. Max, I'm sorry you got stuck in this. I don't have a fucking clue what's going on. But I have total faith that you'll do the right thing when the time comes.
Oh là là.
I'm so proud of you, Max. How could there be a more important moment in history? And I'm in the middle of it with you. So thank you for trusting me.
Thanks for being here. Always.
La photo. Ok. La fameuse photo.
Max,
Bon.
Do you think this is the end?
Let's go.
Hey. Be careful out there.
Prendre dans les bras. Oh, je me doutais qu'ils allaient me donner le choix. Franchement, il l'a mérité. Il l'a mérité. Franchement, il l'a mérité.
For luck.
C'est trop mignon. J'avoue, c'est grave mignon. Franchement, il a tellement galéré. Il le mérite. Franchement, il le mérite.
Just in case we don't get out of this, I wanted to say...
I know, Warren.
Of course you do.
I'm going to make the right choices from now on. I swear.
That's why you're Super Max.
Ok. Ok les amis, on y est. Sortons de cette réalité pourrie. Let's go. Ok, on se concentre. Je suis pas très loin. En fait, je suis un petit peu quand même vachement loin. En fait, je suis clairement super loin. Je suis vraiment, mais tellement nul à ça. Ok, on y est, on y est. Allez, j'y suis presque. C'est bon, je l'ai. Nickel. Let's go.
We got no time for this shit. Come on, Max. Chloe. Jesus, dude, what is up with you?
C'est vrai qu'ils savent pas que c'est Jefferson. Oh là 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 là, c'est énorme.
I guess you need to talk. No worries. It's all good.
Elle va tout lui raconter.
Glad you're with me too. What's going on, Max? We have to find Nathan right now. He's gonna
Sorry, Warren.
to Rachel. Let's go now. Chloe, wait, listen. I can walk and listen, okay? Stop and listen for once. Fine, Max. I'm listening.
Chloe, you can't go in that party. You're gonna die if you do.
You used your powers, right? And you fucked around with time and I died.
Not like that.
You're supposed to back me up. So there's no way that punk-ass bitch Nathan Prescott is taking me down.
You're right, he won't. Mark Jefferson killed you. And others.
Jefferson, the art teacher? That's bullshit. Nathan is the fucking serial killer. We saw the proof. Now, excuse me, I'm going to that party to make sure he never hurts anybody again. Are you coming?
Mais t'es stupide ou t'es pas stupide? Mais c'est pas possible. Mais c'est qui celle qui contrôle le temps? C'est qui, putain? C'est moi. Je sais ce que je dis quand même. Trop dangereux, Nathan. Nathan est mort. Bah oui, Nathan est mort.
Nathan is dead, and you're in danger.
That fucker is already dead? How do you know that?
Because I was there.
Will you please tell me exactly what happened? Please.
Jefferson l'a tué, Jefferson m'a fait du mal, Jefferson est un psychopathe. Ah, lequel est le plus important? Lequel passe en premier? Jefferson l'a tué, Jefferson... Non, Jefferson est un psychopathe, on s'en fiche. Soit m'a fait du mal, soit l'a tué. Je dirais Jefferson l'a tué.
Jefferson kidnapped Rachel and some other girls. He was also manipulating Nathan and he killed him.
Then it's Jefferson's turn to die now. I understand why you don't want to do this, and I won't blame you for not coming with me.
Insupportable.
Chloe!
Oh, elle est relou. Oh, elle est relou. Remonte le temps, remonte le temps. Ok, ok. On retente, on retente. On fait... Nathan est mort, du coup. Donc ça, on le sait. Ok. Et maintenant, on va partir sur... Jefferson m'a fait du mal.
Chloe. Jefferson drugged and kidnapped me. I was tied up in his bunker. You have no idea what hell I went through to get back here. But I couldn't let you die. You brought me back here, and I can't lose you again. I won't.
Max, I'm so sorry. I was the one who dragged you into all this shit. Nobody, especially you, should have to go through that. Now we have to stop Jefferson. With one bullet.
No, not this way. Chloe, I can't keep fixing everything if all I'm gonna do is just break it over and over again. I know how this is gonna turn out, and I'm afraid I'm fucking up all these alternate realities.
Wait, alternate realities?
Elle le
What
savait.
do you mean, Max?
Elle le savait pas, c'est
What
vrai.
did you do?
J'ai merdé un choix horrible. Oh là là là. Oh, son père. Oh putain. Ça devient tellement compliqué. Un choix horrible. Je vais essayer d'être honnête.
I'm gonna tell you the truth, no matter what. I changed your past, and I had to make a terrible choice, and I...
Max, please tell me. I won't be mad at you.
I was able to go back in time to the last day William was alive. I stopped him from leaving, but you ended up in a car crash instead.
You saw my dad again?
You were completely paralyzed. And you were in pain. You were slowly dying, and you asked me to end your life. But Chloe, there was no way I could do that. I had to return to this timeline to see you again. I had to.
God, Max. That must have been awful for you. I'm so sorry I had to ask you that.
It was worse for you. But I had no idea what would happen, and as usual, I messed everything up, and I never want to hurt you. Ever. You have to believe me.
Of course I do. Do you think I would even know how to handle that situation? Nobody would. The important thing is that we're together again.
You're right. That's why you should come with me, so we can stay together and stay alive.
I hear you, Max, but do you think we should let Jefferson get away with torture and murder?
Of course not. If we tell David, he'll believe us, and he can actually stop him. Right?
I don't get it. Why do you trust him after you totally reamed him the other day? He's not even at our house anymore.
Il s'est passé pas mal de choses, hein. Et depuis, il s'est passé pas mal de choses. David m'a sauvé.
Chloe, David saved me from Jefferson. If he didn't track down the darkroom, I'd be dead right now.
Max, I had no clue. I should have been the one to save you, but I'm so grateful David was there.
T'étais mort.
So what's your plan?
We tell him everything, including that Victoria is in danger.
Okay. You've been through so much. I believe you, Max. After all, I'm still your faithful companion.
Yes, you are. So listen, in a few minutes, I won't know any of this happened. Nothing. We absolutely have to stay in your room and do nothing. Then we explain everything to David, and we finally let him do his job. You'll have to tell me exactly what I did and said just now. Just explain that I traveled through time using the photo.
Will you believe me?
I'll always believe you, Chloe.
Ok. Quelles sont les conséquences? D'accord. On explique à David. Il chope Jefferson. Il y a quand même la tornade? Oh là 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 là.
Oh, Chloe! I see that the real Max is back. So, how was your time trip, dude?
Shut up. Oh, you're alive. You're alive. Oh, both of us.
Il y a une tornade devant toi.
So much to bring you back, Chloe. It worked. It actually worked. You're with me again.
Looks like even fate doesn't want us apart. And I traveled through multiple realities just to save my ungrateful ass over and over, and I hope it was worth it, but I don't blame you for wanting me out of your life after all my drama.
Come on. I'm the official drama king and queen of Arcadia Bay this week. Just look at what my powers have caused in just a short time. Nobody.
You're Max fucking Caulfield, Time Warrior. Even if you weren't, you're kind and caring. Nobody could have a better best friend. Nobody. You didn't ask for any of this to happen, but it did. You need to accept how awesome you are.
Maybe I willed it subconsciously or something. I always wanted my life to be special. An adventure. But not without you. And it didn't happen until I moved back here. So, without you, my powers wouldn't even exist.
And for whatever scientific, mystical reason that we'll obviously never figure out, we were meant to be together at this exact moment in history. I have to think that Rachel was somewhere behind the scenes, fighting for justice.
I'd like to think that too. We all owe Rachel Amber. Now tell me everything that happened. You remember, right?
Well, we left the party and made sure Jefferson couldn't find us.
Okay.
For once, I was glad I lived in an actual fortress. Then the storm got hella crazy, and you said we would be safe at the lighthouse.
Chloe, look. The storm is getting bigger now. It's coming closer. I can't even believe this is real. This is happening because of me.
Stop it. Stop beating yourself up, okay? We've both paid our dues already on it. God, look at that. Look at that monster. Who knows? This could be Rachel's revenge. Our revenge.
C'est ouf.
The lighthouse is out of the way of the tornado. Come on.
Chloe.
I've got your back, Max.
Whoa.
Alfred Hitchcock famously called film little pieces of time.
I'm back in class.
What?
What the hell?
These pieces of time can frame us in our glory.
I have to listen to this Jefferson lecture again. This might be hell.
Now, can you give me an example of a photographer
Okay,
who perfectly
this is
captured the
messed
human
up.
condition in black and white?
Am I stuck in a time loop?
Anybody? Bueller?
Diane Arbus.
Be calm and don't freak out.
Wow.
Yet.
Because of her images of hopeless faces.
What?
You feel like totally haunted by the eyes
What?
of those sad mothers and children.
She saw humanity as tortured, right?
What's going on?
Mais les gars?
Nobody even cares?
Keep that to yourself. Seriously though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation.
Everybody's gone now. Have I totally fucked up time? This doesn't make sense.
Mais qu'est-ce qui se passe? Mais qu'est-ce qu'on a fait? Oh. Les amis, vous allez me détester, hein. Mais on va s'arrêter ici. Waouh, waouh, juste, mais c'est quoi? Je pense clairement que tout va partir en vrille. Tout va partir en vrille. La prochaine fois, les amis, qu'on se verra sur Life is Strange, ce sera dimanche sans faute. Et on terminera Life is Strange une bonne fois pour toutes. On connaîtra enfin la fin de l'histoire de Max et Chloé. Je pense qu'on a beaucoup trop joué avec le temps, beaucoup trop joué avec les réalités. On va enfin voir les conséquences. Parce que là, clairement, le coup des pigeons et de what the fuck. Alors, on m'avait prévenu que la fin allait être vraiment, vraiment spéciale et et incroyable à la fois. Du coup les amis, je vous quitte maintenant. Laissez un maximum de pouces bleus, explosez-moi tout. Si vous avez vous aussi hâte de voir le dernier épisode, dites-moi tout ça en commentaire. Nous on se retrouve très vite, c'est promis. D'ici là, prenez soin de vous, c'est le plus important. Et n'oubliez surtout pas qu'une journée sans rire est une journée perdue. Alors souriez, c'était Sora, ciao ciao tout le monde.